Hello, scholars. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to use some Chromebook keyboard shortcuts to help you navigate around on your Chromebook. And now in front of you, you're going to see a document that you've seen before. In this document, there are some links. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on the links. And when I do that, it's going to open up that link in another tab or in another page. So in this case, I'm grabbing both of these links. Again, they're called tabs or pages. And now let's say I want to go back and forth between these pages without having to use my mouse. Maybe I don't want to have to jump or skip or do anything like that. Or maybe I accidentally close one of those tabs. What do I do? So there is a keyboard shortcut that will help you do this. I've got my document, and then I've got those two other documents that I've opened up, those two other tabs. And I want to navigate to them without using my mouse. I can use my control button and my tab button, T-A-B. You have to hold them together and it will take me to the next page. So in this case, I'm going to hold my control button and my tab button. And that takes me to the next page. If I continue to hold my control button and my tab button together, they have to be held together, control and tab, it will take me to the next page on my screen. Now, I can also do the opposite. If I want to move backwards, I can use my control, shift, and tab button. So those three buttons together, control, shift, and tab. Control, shift, and tab. And that will take me backwards to where I need to go. And then there's another way that you can also navigate around this. Now, on my screen, I have exactly 4 pages open. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And perhaps there is a specific page that I want to go to. I don't want to have to cycle through each tab or each page. I want to go to a specific one. There's a keyboard shortcut for that as well. So this works if you have up to 8 different pages on your screen. After 8, it doesn't work. So it's only up to 8. So in this case, I have 4 different pages on my screen. I want to go to a specific page. In this case, I want to go to the one that says water treatment process. So in this case, it is my page 4. To do that with my keyboard, I can click on my control button and then select the number. So in this case, this is page 4. So I can say control and the number 4, and it will take me right to that page. So let's say I wanted to go backwards. Maybe I want to go to my second page down here. I can do control and the number 2, and it will take me to my second page on my screen. And this will work up to 8 different pages on your screen. So 1 through 8, you can do this with this keyboard shortcut. So that's 2 different ways that you can navigate around on your screen. Control tab to go to the next page, or control and the number to get to a specific one.